Hi, we are learning how to create different columns like total profit, profit margins by adding field. In this session, we are going to create month fields from data. Okay, let us come back to the studio. So, this is the visuals that we have created in the last sessions. Okay. So, there are basically two ways that we can create month fields from the data. Okay, one by one, both that ways we will learn. First of all, we can add a field. We can add a field and that add formula. Okay, the similar way that we did in the last session. And there is also another type that another way that we will also learn that. Okay. So what we will do first? Let us select the table. Okay. So then our metric data is here. Profit margin. What we will do? We will bring here the sales. Okay, metric data has to be sales. Our metric data will be sales because we are going to create fields, month wise fields for metric data sales. So sales figure has come now. Okay, metric data. Similarly, take for example, this is here our dimension is subcategory. Our dimension is subcategory. Let us change it to order date. So because we are looking for that date fields, so order date we can select. So now you see, so the our table appears. Our dimensions, our dimension is order date and our metric data is sales. So this has happened. So we get different dates, but not arranged according to the month. Here what happens? Dates appeared, but according to the months, these are not appeared. So how can we arrange according to different months? Let us do it. Okay. So first of all, we will create a field. Okay, add a field the similar way the we created profit margins and total profit in the last sessions. Okay, let us see this. So here add a field. Okay, first of all, what that first thing that we need to do, that we have to give a name. What is the name? Month of order dates. Let us say, let us give a name like the dates has to be like months of order date, months of order date, order dates. Okay, so this is the formula. This is actually we are not using equal to formula like Excel or Google Sheet, the way we normally that is being used. Okay, equal to begin with begin with writing any sort of formula, but directly what we will write here, formula like months. Let us say months. Okay, so it is months. So within bracket what we will write? Order dates. Order date is appearing. Okay, so now we have selected this. Order date is selected. Here is a tick mark. That means formula system is valid. This is a valid formula. So then we can go for save. So once save, we save calculate field saved, means that means it is absolutely fine. Okay, so then we can go for done. Okay, let us see. So month of order date, you can see it is added now. It is month of order date. It is added now. Now we will change the dimensions to month of order date. So what is the dimensions now? Our dimensions is order date. So now we will add this to months of order date. Months of order dates. Okay. Months of order dates. Okay. Then we can have also metric as sales. That's fine. Okay, now it is appearing, let us say. So according to the month wise it is coming, we see. So suppose take for example we will sort this because it is this is appearing randomly. So we will sorting this month wise. Take for example, like if we want to sort this, take for example uh, cells in descending order, cells in ascending order. This can be done. So suppose we want to do it like this, okay. Else we can also choose the same, or we can go for also secondary sorting, like take for example we can go for like months. Take for example months, so months of order date we can also sort according to this, okay. So this will like this can appear like this, ascending order or descending order, like that, okay. So however this is not that record, but suppose take for example uh, this is how we can change this to this, okay. Suppose take for example there is another dimensions, okay. There is another way that we can do it. Let us see. Our metric is cells, then we will see our metric is cells. Let us select it. Let us go back to the dimensions. So we will keep it in order, January, February, like that. So what we can do, okay. So we can do here change. We can bring the order date here. Take for example, we will bring order date. This is the second way actually. Order date. We can bring the order date. Okay. This can be order date. This is case sensitive. It is not coming. Order date. This is coming as per the order dates, okay. Then what we can do here, we can check here the pencil icon, okay. So under pencil icon we can see there is date wise it is there, therefore it is coming order dates. We can see all these things date wise it is coming. So we can explore what are the things that are available. So from order and time we can go for, take for example, we can go for here we can explore all these things, order dates, okay. We can explore, like take for example we have month wise, okay. Let us say month wise. So this is coming month wise, we see month wise it is coming, like February, July, January. This is sales, it is coming, okay. Like this is sales, it is coming, okay. This is sales figure, it is coming. So this is order wise, okay, it is coming. So we can see this also. Take for example, suppose we want both year and month. We can also see. We can explore both. That means both year and here only month is appearing. Suppose we want year and month. Take for example, there is also option year and month. Take for example, we can go for this. Yeah, both February 2014, July 2013, they like that is also appearing. Okay. So this is how we can for the particular month, this is the sales tag for example, okay. So this is coming, okay. So there are basically two ways that we can do. One way that directly, this is the easy method, we can bring the order date here, okay. And order date we can go for this, like we can make whatever that whether we want month wise or we want day wise, year wise, quarter wise, various options we can explore later, okay. And this is one way, or another way we can create a field that is called month of order, month of the order dates we can also create. These are the two ways that we can see. So this is much for this is uh, thank you very much.